Well, today my PIL pertains to seeking a continuous writ of mandamus against the government departments. I clarify that this is not a PIL of an adversarial nature, but it is more holistic. And my PIL in its prayers seeks to ameliorate the conditions of senior citizens in the state of Goa. The essential prayer which I seek in my petition is to implore the court to direct the state government through its relevant departments to carry out a senior citizen survey. A senior citizen survey happens to be a specific data collection tool wherein the department who is collecting the data will be able to understand the number of senior citizens that are present in the state, and this will also help to remain in a state of proportionality wherein we can understand the number of senior citizens who form a subpopulation. Once the survey is conducted, it would be up to the departments to use the data to create and design more policies that are specific and can pinpoint the situations and circumstances that need to be ameliorated for the senior citizens, and ultimately it would serve the purpose of more pinpointed, how do you put it, more specific implementation, because ultimately more than design, the implementation phase is important, but without data implementation would be a very blind resolve. Thereby what my petition seeks is to at least begin the first step, that is of data collection. And data collection with regards to senior citizen is something that is necessary currently, so as to prevent any kind of stigma towards a subpopulation who is often neglected by the younger generation. Thereby I am doing my part to understand and to help the departments pertaining to my petition understand better the vulnerable group of senior citizen who is in need of amelioration in the form of better circumstances for them, not only through the survey but ultimately through better implementation of policies. And the policies which I have highlighted in my petition are pertaining to the Maintenance of Senior Citizen and Welfare Protection Act 2007. More specifically, Section 19, it prescribes and it envisages that in order to implement policies, the state must first have the knowledge, and the knowledge can only come through data, and that is why I have taken the approach that first a survey may be conducted, and this is also in line with the judicial precedent set by the Supreme Court in the case of Dr. Ashwani Kumar way back in the year 2018, wherein the union government had decided to impose the Supreme Court had imposed a continuous mandamus writ upon the union government, and the union government was directed to requisition from all its state governments the data about the senior citizens and their welfare, and ultimately that would help by filing of that status report, it would help to understand what are the policies which need to be revamped, and ultimately those could then be specifically implemented in favor of the senior citizens.
What happened today?
So today what has happened is, when I presented my petition and took the stand before the court, I believe that the council appearing on behalf of the state, and more specifically for the department, has sought a time of around 6 weeks so that the director can in fact respond in tandem to my petition, and also consider whether the survey would be feasible, because ultimately the time that is sought is not to it is not done to create a delay, but it is ultimately implemented so that the departments can look within and see whether they have the data, and they can also see whether they need to do the survey. And once they consider the necessity to do the survey, they are expected to report back to the government about what is the feasibility of such an act or such a survey being done. And thereby I believe the court has then asked me to wait for the response from the department through the state of Goa, and ultimately that would be handed over to me for the purpose of reconsideration, and then I would be asked to give my inputs. So that was all that took place at the hearing.
When is the next date of hearing?
I believe the next date is somewhere in March, and it is somewhere on the 30th of March, and it is necessary to understand that the continuous nature of this petition makes it more necessary to keep following up with the public interest at large. Thank you.